scholars, guess who's chasing me? It's Deceptor, and he's kind of a bully. A big bully. And here's the rest of his crew, and they represent the different types of bullying. What is bullying? It's when someone keeps being mean on purpose, again and again, to try to hurt or scare another person. Remember, there are 4 common types of bullying: cyber, verbal, physical, and social. Each one can hurt others in different ways.
That's Cyborg. He hides behind screens, using technology to be a cyberbully.
Cyberbullying is using the internet to attack others. For example, sending mean text messages and spreading rumors. That's Verbana. She uses words to gain power over others and bring people down. Examples of verbal bullying are name-calling, teasing, gossiping, and making hurtful comments about someone. That's Fiso. He uses his strength to hurt others. Pushing, shoving, hitting. When you use your strength to hurt others, you're only spreading pain. But when you use your strength to be kind and respectful, you become unstoppable. That's Sosi, the social bully. He turns people against each other, spreads gossip, and creates drama. That's Deceptor. He's a dream breaker and wants you to make bad choices. Bullying can happen at home or at school, like on the playground, in the halls, the bathroom, the gym, the library, and other places. Remember, we never want to act like a bully. Being kind, respectful, and helpful, that's what makes you a real hero.